I was just saying my condo, like, I don't know, my mind's just in the gutter, honestly. Like, I just feel terrible today. I feel directionless. I feel so fucking lonely. Oh God, I feel fucking lonely. And it doesn't really make sense why I have lots of friends. I just feel so, I don't know if I'm just being like a broody narcissist, but like I just feel so fucking alone with everything. I think I just wanted to get out of the house, talk to you boys on some real shit, because one of the only things that truly makes me happy and gets me out of my own mind is just coming on here and passing off some bloody advice to you boys. So I want to talk about struggle. I made videos like this of me walking down the road in the middle of the night, mumbling to myself 3 or 4 years ago while I was severely depressed and wanted to genuinely kill myself. And here I am 3 years later. I've built a successful online business, achieved financial location and creative free video editing. And I'm still walking down this bloody road, kind of fucking losing my mind a little bit. And that's the thing with struggle, because we all think that once we've done X or Y, then our lives will be awesome and it's like everything's fucking sound. But it's not the fucking case. It's just that as time goes on, your ability to deal with problems just amplifies. So if I dropped the weight I'm carrying on my big old masculine shoulders onto Sam from 3 years ago, he would fucking collapse. But we feel the same things. It's just that the only difference is the stakes are so much higher. My life is so much better. I have so much more freedom. I have so many more friends, so much more attraction from women. But even still, it never seems enough. The struggle for more continues. And that's a brutal lesson that you need to learn very early on in your developmental journey. You need to learn how to deal with stuff like this. When I felt like this back in the day, it used to cripple me. And I mean, I must admit, I'm not having a good day today, you know. It's like, it feels like a bit much. I feel like I have a fucking responsibility to put myself out there as like a pillar of hope all the time. Sam, he's strong as a rock, that guy. He never struggles. He's never fucking schizo roaming the streets. He's got it all figured out. And I just want to fucking say, like, it doesn't fucking work out that way, sadly. As much as I want to be a rock permanently all the time. I was just saying in my condo in the co-work chat with some of the academy boys, and I was just watching them and listening to them for a bit, and they're all joking and memeing and shit. I had my shit muted. I was just like, I can't fucking show up for these boys right now. I can't, because I'm not even showing up for myself, man. My mind's just fucked. Struggle is an absolute fucking promise. As life as a man, like, you're just gonna fucking struggle. No matter what stage you're at, there's a new struggle, you know, there's a new thing that's bothering you, there's a new fucking... It's never enough. It's fucking never enough, you know, there's always something else. If you're ambitious, you want more out of this life, you have less people that you can look to relate, to get advice from, you know. I remember I was struggling so badly with my mental health about 9 months ago from now, really badly, and I was so horribly misguided, and I was eating myself every single day, just absolutely self-destruction to a fucking T. And it was one of the loneliest fucking periods of my life, because I didn't feel like I could get advice from fucking anywhere. Objectively, my life is awesome. Objectively, in every facet of life, I'm doing better than I ever have. Yet, here I am, still feel down, still feel alone. Maybe it's asinine for me to think that I would never feel this way again. So you gotta learn to just fucking ride the wave, man. If you're expecting to make a bunch of money and And look, I don't regret making a bunch of money. I don't regret having an awesome impact on the world with my work. In fact, it's why I'm recording this bloody video right now. Having that impact is one of the only things that genuinely sets my heart ablaze. It's one of the only things that just gets me out of my own fucking head. But don't think that by just progressing forward with your masculine mission, you're going to become immune to all of these emotions that you might be feeling right now. There's pain that you're feeling, there's loneliness, there's uncertainty, lack of clarity. It's not the case, but your ability to deal with it just increases exponentially, and the stakes get higher. You make more impact, you make more money, you get stronger, you build better relationships. Your life is better, but the pain of the human condition remains the fucking same. How fucking interesting is that? Oh man, I could literally become a 10 out of 10 version of myself, and I would still feel alone, not enough. Crazy. My final point of this video, I don't want this to feel disempowering. I want this to empower you. I want this to encourage you to chase that masculine progression, because no doubt life's better when you are not fucking invisible, you know, and you make impact. I guess my message is, as you progress down your own path and you feel down, you don't feel 100%, it's okay. Everyone fucking feels this way, and I guess I wanted to turn this on to show you guys the raw reality of it, because it's so easy to always show the fucking, look how awesome my life is, look how awesome I am. This is the fucking reality of it. And every single fucking man that you look up to feels this as well. Every single one, even if they don't show it. So when you are going through something like this, be kind to yourself, and remember, it's just a part of the fucking human condition. The masculine desire for more. I love you, man. I'm rooting for you. Take care.